So today what I'm going to do is to create a new spell for Infernax. And I have a little bit of an idea of how to do that. So the spell is called Drain Life. It's an alternative for heal, the basic vampire or vampirism spell. So we're just gonna suck life blood, suck life energy from enemies and slightly hit them as well. I just have an idea in my head and I want to try it out. Maybe it's gonna suck, maybe it's gonna be good. I don't know. In any case, it will suck. Let's say that this dude over here is our beautiful Alcidor. What I want to do is have little balls of energies that goes from here and goes inside Alcidor with the tween. So it's gonna be like with an ease out effect. No, an ease in effect. So just go like this. We're gonna try a different type of tween. We'll see if it works or not. All right, so little balls of energy that goes like. If I go like balls, I need balls. I need balls. Can you provide some balls for me? So that's quite a big ball. I need like a smaller ball. Smaller ball, smaller ball. I think that this one will be better. Smaller ball. So I got smaller ball 2, and smaller ball 3. Yeah, okay, so those 3 small ball, I have to make it a 3 because the pixel, 3 pixel equal 1. What that ball is. That looks like life. Yeah, it looks like blood. I'm gonna try it with those one because I like those balls. So we're gonna go with FX spell drain life balls. So that's drain balls, all that thing. All right, so I'm gonna add another. Not another layer, but another frame, like this. Come on, run, come on. Alright, come on. This. Boom. Gonna put that into the game now. Ball flash at him. Like this. Scapadouche. Alright, FX drain balls. Gotta drain those balls. How many times I will say balls today? Alec, you should make a count of how many times I say balls today. The balls count. Little balls, balls, ball, ball, smaller ball, smaller ball, smaller ball, smaller ball, smaller ball, smaller ball, balls. Brian, so Infernax, how did you come up with the name? Oh my god, we came up with the name like 11 years ago. Basically something that sounds 80 and something that sounds kind of like a bad guy in the 80s, like Gornax or Thriller, or you know, something like that. And since it was just like Inferno, switch that for Infernax, and it just felt right. So, we kept it. Okay, hero. I want to check out hero spellcaster. Renderer, add callback on frame. So he goes like like this, and that's where I want to check out for this. So we're gonna do a new class. Gonna be called FX Drain Life. I'm just gonna go like this, and I'll pass the hero. Boop, boop, boop. Like this. Yo, you're an actor, because I want you to update and all that. Voila. Okay, so now we're gonna do like on override, start, create balls. Not balls, but just one ball. I'm gonna need a timer as well, so I'm gonna go like simple timer. Like this, simple timer. Boop, 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 boop. Like this, update, simple timer. Boop. And now I'm gonna try to reset and max this for about 5 frames. So every 5 frames I'm gonna do something. Now I need to put that into the update. Check balls. Check to spawn balls. Alex's gonna have a hard time counting all those balls. Balls. If you is complete. If you are not complete, don't do anything. Otherwise, just reset. I did that a million times, so that's why I can type very fast. And otherwise, I can go with create ball. I'm probably gonna have to do like an FX Drain Life ball, and this will be an actor as well. Probably more like a game effect though. Yeah, okay. And I think I have to do the same for the other game effect. Alright, game effect, that's all good. Now on this game effect I need a renderer component. Renderer component, add to actor. Like this, this actor. Camera, flash container. instance for, no, for visual, model for animation, no, model, flash, animation, balls, boom. Okay, and now I have to go and say, go to and stop random, like this. Alright, so this will happen. And now I want to do hero, no, px is equal to hero px. Ah! Illumination, oh my god! Once again, enjoy the tip, you're a cool guy. Oh, thank you very much, man. How dare you throw money in my face? I'm in a hurry, don't you see? So I'm gonna put something drastic like 250. So what I'm doing right now is I'm picking a random rotation, right? A number between 0 and 360, because it's the entire degrees of a circle. If you pass the cosinus, it's gonna give you the position on the x-axis, and the sinus will give you the y-axis, you know? So basically this gives me a point between the hero, a point around the hero, randomly around the hero. So what I'm gonna do is pick this one and goes like with a tween like this. So I'm telling the ball to be spawn directly on the hero and then do a tween that goes like this. At the end of the tween, destroy yourself. Okay, so something basic like this should go like, you know, it should give us something. Probably something that sucks, but something. From this effect will be like, oh, okay, this part sucks, but if I do this, we're experimenting. Oh! Look at that! Isn't that beautiful? It sucks. I told you it would suck. First thing sucks is it goes. The position of the hero is based on his feet, so the register point that we call the register point is on his feet. While right now I want the balls to go into his torso, which will be probably, just by head, probably 100. Well, way too much. Okay, 50 should be good. 50. Okay, and now one thing I don't like is the effect is way too long, so I'll go like half of it. So the fact that it goes exactly on the same point is something I don't like. So I'm gonna go with this plus, boop, and I'll go like, I don't know, minus 10 to 10. So, you know, it's gonna be like a slightly not always on the same place. There we go, you know, starting to be something. At the end, the drain blood, I want it to flash white. I wonder if that will work. Maybe even the hero could blink. Effect, blink. This hero is equal to hero. Alright, hero. Blinking time like 3. 0, FF. Whoa! Okay, so I'm gonna blink the hero, and then I'm gonna set you to completely white, and then I'm gonna destroy you 3 frames later. I cannot make scale go down because it's a pixel game, so it's gonna look like really weird. However, yes, I can ask Etienne, can you make smaller balls? Okay, so we don't even see, although we don't see it because it's not on top. So, send to top. How about that? Alright, let's go. Nice. Nice. Okay. Alright, I'm doing an effect rotate. So this effect here makes something rotate around something. You can do a round, you can do an ellipse, you can do a weird effect like this. So I'm just gonna bunch. Usually when you throw that effect in whatever actor, it always do something weird or cool. What the hell is happening? I'll put like maybe smaller balls. Okay, so it looks cool. It looks cool, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm gonna try to do it on actual enemies now, because like it doesn't spawn something cool in my head. So I'm gonna actually do this effect, but starting from an enemy, goes like, and then the enemy dies or gets hurt, gets hit. So I'm gonna try that. I can pause everything. The FX manager is paused as well. Okay, so the enemy, the ammo, all of that. So maybe I can do the drain life here instead of putting it here into that. Okay, I'm gonna try that. What I'm gonna do is add this to the game scene manager, game scene hero manager. Add this. Boop, 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 boop. Voila. Drain life, drive balls, same thing. Same thing, like this. Actor. Boot. Alright, so I think I think the thing will be broken now. The thing is, when you cast, everybody else is paused, you know? The FX, the enemies and all that, you just want to have, like, the hero do his thing. But since I made the drain life game effect, it was an effect, so it was paused as well. So I just changed it from a manager. So instead of being into the FX manager, it's just gonna be in the hero manager. So basically the manager is just a list of actors, a list of game objects, if you will, that gets refreshed. So I can tell, hey, everybody in this list should not be updated anymore, you know? So the enemy, ammo, and FX, they're all stopped. So that's why my drain life was not appearing. However, right now, if I'm not... Yes, there we go. You know, since it's in the other actor, it doesn't wait until the ending. I'll put it like behind the hero. It has to convey the player that it's coming from an enemy. This effect here is just like a side effect, like a complementary effect, you know, like the suction thing. And the ease out, I don't like the ease out. The ease out should be way more pronounced. What if I do the drain attack right now? Isn't it that? Drain attack? Okay, drain attack. This, and that will be like targets. Like this. And now I need a 4 each. Boon, item, in, target. Do shiz. Next, here. Ah! Okay, cool. It's kind of work. Because they all hurt like BAM! Although it kind of... Ah, nice. Yeah, the fact that they got hits like this might explain why it's sucking energy so much. Ooh. Accidental coolness. I like that. Okay. You are an actor. Like I said earlier. You need to be added to the scene inside the hero manager because all the other one are paused. Okay, so spawn ball here is gonna have to be an enemy, but I don't care if it's not an enemy. Although, is it something? Enemy? Oh yeah, it's not even something. Actor, enemy, enemy, like this. Enemy, enemy, actor, actor, like this. Enemy, enemy, from enemy. If I manage to do it, guys, I'm gonna be freaking proud. Okay, so here, main game, instance, god, game scene manager, that gives the hero manager, add this, like this, boom. Alright, and the drain effect, enemy balls, where are you? Drain effect balls. Zip! Like this, gonna put that there, voila. Okay, so it's from the enemy, so your PX, your position, you'll be on the enemy. I'm just gonna go effect add tween, reverse, no, not reverse, add to actor. So the tween here, either you start from here and you do the tween, or either you do the opposite, the reverse. So I'm making like a, I'm here, but I want, like, this is my destination, or this is my starting point. I need a hero! Here, so hero, this, main, PX minus PX. So that's the destination, that's my delta X, and I need to do the same thing with delta Y. So there we go. At the end, when the little balls, when the balls will hit the Alcidor right in the face, when Alcidor will be covered with balls in the face, he will blink. If I put some destroy effect here in the function that's called check to spawn balls, it does not tell that, hey, also it looks if you can destroy yourself. So that's called a side effect, meaning that the name of the function is not implying everything that the function does. There's some side effect as well. No, check to spawn balls and also check to destroy. No, so that's bad. So you remove that, because when you name a function, it should do one thing and one thing only. It's not a law or anything, but it's just a good way to code, because when you read back your code, you don't have any side effect. When you call a function, you know that it does exactly that, so you don't have to deal with unknown consequences, and less bug and more happy people. Boom. Ah! go! We got something, guys! Okay, so I'm gonna try to grab the collision of the enemy. So, collision. So that would be this dot get component, and that's probably circle collision or something like that. Yeah, this thing here, boom. Because enemies has circles of collision on top of them, and the circle of collision is usually in the middle of the little dudes. So let's just see. Oh, okay, I know. When the drain appears, I want it to shake a little bit. Float. Minus 10. 10. Like this. Like this. And also FX shake. Shake. Add to actor. This. I don't know. 25. 25. Let's try that. Okay, so when the actor will appear, when the ball will appear, you're just gonna go like a little bit. Sorry. It kind of looked like entrails are coming up. Look at this dude. Ah! That was nice. Okay, so I kind of have to force him to not look like that, though. Look at that. Looks like it's actually going from his trails. I think we're on the good track. Look at all that snow outside. Look at that. Welcome to Canada. So yeah, it was a very, very short ninja stream, but I had this little thing I needed to do. And yeah, I'm on a good track, so I like that. Balls, ball, 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 ball. I love you all, especially you. Goodbye.